Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to show you a air compressor we use for the RV, do a little review on it. It's the VIAIR 400p RV. So we use it for RV. It's a very good air compressor, and I'm going to show you to you right here how to set it up, and we'll demonstrate. So if you come down here, it comes in this nice handy case. Easy to carry around, easy to store in your RV and get it out easily. I just open up this area here and unzip this. And you see it's a very well made air compressor. Aluminum casing, I assume, stainless steel, and I'll demonstrate that for you. I'll put it here on the Jeep for now. Let me get these cords out of the way. I usually leave it unhooked until I get it all set up. So you'll see here in the front pouch is a coiled air hose, and this one here with this brass ring is the one that connects directly to the air compressor over here. There's also another coiled hose in the back. So you can connect this to your towed battery with it running, and you can get all the way around a large RV with both hoses. So after you connected that to the compressor, you got to connect these pieces here, the little trigger with the air gauge on it, shows your PSI, very handy. And then your wand for the air. Connect that together and connect it to your hose. I can get it. There we go. Pretty easy. Alright, and this connects directly to the battery. It does not have a cigarette adapter or regular plug. You got to connect it to a battery. So most everybody has batteries if they're driving something, so VIAIR has to come with that. For this demonstration, I won't start the Jeep right now because it make too much noise. You may not be able to hear me. But all you do is go positive and negative. So after that's connected, then you come over here to the air compressor and you turn on this switch right here. As you notice, it has an automatic shut off. So when you're not using the compressor, you're not having air through the trigger, it automatically shuts off. That saves you some time and some noise checking air pressure. You pull the trigger, it's going to come on. Okay, so you can have this sitting on the ground or on your bumper. It has an anti-vibration pad on it, which is very nice. And you just come over using your wand. It has an adapter, straight on adapter here, 9-degree adapter, and a 45-degree here if you're checking if you have a dually pressure to check pressure on that. And so all you have to do is come over here and get your cap off, which I can't do. I have to add this out. And just firmly insert that on there and then pull the trigger. As you see, if you can come around here, you can just check pressure with this too. So just push it on there, it'll show pressure. air pump will max inflate is 150 pounds of pressure. Okay, good for any RV size tire, big rig tire. Disconnect from the battery. And then you just disconnect all your extensions and hoses. Turn the unit off. And you store it back in your bag. This is the unit here. Again, it's the 400p RV automatic. This means it automatically shuts off while it's turned on until it builds up pressure and you're ready to use the air. This is available on our Amazon page, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our page, and I almost forgot to mention, this does come with a couple accessories. It comes with a regular needle, like for your soccer ball, basketball, sports balls, things like that. And it also comes with a little cone type adapter that you can use to plug into it to air up like your air mattresses and beach balls, things like that. So very handy. You can use this air compressor for air up your tires and all your other air compressing needs.